the Thai troop took over, control over their home. Ladies and gentlemen, you can come and see. Right now, people are waking. This is a real sin. This is real. Ladies and gentlemen, this is real. This is not normal. This is not simple. Ladies and gentlemen, come here. Let's see the kid is here. You know how small they are. They are just small kids. They don't know. You know what? They don't know. They are innocent. Ladies and gentlemen, they are innocent. They are innocent right now. You see? They're all waking up. They're all waking up, you see? They're all waking up. And they pray. They pray to Thailand. They are afraid, you know? They are just innocent people. So how come? How come Thai troop, Thai army did this to them? You see that small little kid? Ladies and gentlemen, this small little kid right now, you see the number here? It got so high. It's 100 plus something, ladies and gentlemen. This is a real human rights violation. We cannot accept this. Ladies and gentlemen, international community, the President Donald Trump, Asian community, please take action on this. These are innocent people. So how come they make innocent people get sick like this? Right now, some people already get sick. They somehow just came back from the hospital. And today they said that sooner they will gotta go to the hospital again. This is something else, ladies and gentlemen. We cannot just stay silent. All these people are innocent. They are so small kids. How come you play this kind of sound? It's horrible. That's a real human rights violation, ladies and gentlemen. We cannot keep silent. We have to stand up for humanity. We have to stand up for human rights. We have to stand up for kids right now. Ladies and gentlemen, it is not normal. It's not simple, as you could see. Okay, everyone here, they keep awake. They are waking. They cannot sleep, and this happening for the 4 consecutive night already. This is the 4th day, the 4th night. This is the 4th night. The 4 consecutive nights. It is happening every day, consecutively. And this is the 4th day. They cannot sleep. 3 nights already, and this is the 4th night. So the Asian president, Mr. Anwar Ibrahim, the President Donald Trump, you have to see this. You heard the sound, and the number here still go up so high. You see? Still go up so high, okay? Above 65, the number is above 65, it already violates the human right. But here, it come to like 100 plus or something already. So how violated is? Or this is not violated enough? Or this is not violated enough? So what number, and what action, and what sound, and how loud it is, so that we can say that it is a real violation. If here not violation, what is the real violation, ladies and gentlemen? So I would like you to share this live right now, and everybody please stand up for human rights. Everybody please stand up for humanity. This is unacceptable. People here, they did nothing wrong, but Thai troops still keep playing this horrible sound. So what do they did wrong here? You see this kid, he has to plug in the ear inside him. You see? Here. You see? Ladies and gentlemen, this is serious. It's not simple. It is not normal. You see? He have to put the earbud, you see, inside his ear so that he could sleep. You see? He could not sleep like 3 nights. 3 consecutive nights already. But now he could sleep because what? Because you could see the earbud. You could see the earbud. If not put this earbud, he could not sleep. So Mr. President Donald Trump, this is not simple. This is not normal. We cannot stay silent. We have to stand up for humanity. We have to stand up for human rights, especially the kid themselves. The kid themselves, they're gonna get sick and they cannot go to school. This is a real human rights violation, and also it destroys Cambodian citizens. It destroys Cambodian future. You see, they wake up. Everyone here, they wake up. You see.